Hello, good morning. In the last class, we discussed about the photodiode. We discussed clearly about the photodiode, its characteristics of photodiode, photodiode applications, construction, and all these belongs to photodiode. We discussed VI characteristics, applications, photodiode. We discussed in the last class. Now, in today's class, we are going to discuss about the phototransistor. Here, photo means light energy. That light is treated here as a photo. We know general transistor. It is same like a general transistor, but it is optoelectronics device. Its operation can be controlled by photo intensity. As photo intensity or light intensity changes, its operation can be changed. The phototransistor is same as a normal BJT. Same, it has three layers, two junctions, and three terminals. This one also is the same, having three layers, two junctions, three terminals. But to allow photo on the junction, there will be lens provided over the transistor for this. That is called window. Recap. In the previous classes, we have learnt about construction and working principle of photodiode. The VI characteristics of photodiode, that is we discussed in the last class. And other than photodiode, we discussed photoelectronic devices like LED, LDR, LCD. Those topic also we completed. We discussed it in the last class. Now, objectives in this class. Upon completion of this topic, you would be able to know about construction of phototransistor, operation of phototransistor, VI characteristics of phototransistor. In the construction of phototransistor, we discuss internal structure, what materials are used for this, in operation of phototransistor, how it will be operated, what difference is there in between these two, phototransistor and normal transistor we discuss. In VI characteristics of phototransistor, we discuss volt ampere characteristics of phototransistor. How will be the volt ampere characteristics of phototransistor and what difference is there between normal BJT and this phototransistor. Okay, let us discuss clearly about phototransistor. The transistor, we know it has three layers, two junctions, three terminals. And photo means it is a light energy. When light falls on the transistor, its operation starts. Hence it is called as a phototransistor. Phototransistor, it is similar to ordinary bipolar transistor, except the construction at the base terminal. The input is in the form of light energy instead of base current. NPN transistor is used in CE configuration Transistor action is controlled by amount of light flux at the base terminal. So what is the difference? It is similar to the normal BJT, except there will be change in the construction at base terminal. And generally what we do, the transistor is operated when input base current is applied or input current is applied. It is controlled by input current. Whereas here in phototransistor, it is not controlled by base current, that is input current. It is controlled by photo effect. It is controlled by light intensity. ఉరుకోద్దని చెప్పేదానికి construction of phototransistor. Consists of N-type silicon substrate, lightly doped N region is diffused into substrate to act as collector. A medium doped P region is diffused into collector to form base. Here base is medium doped. Collector is lightly doped. And it is fabricated on a bar. That bar is N-type silicon bar. Here photodiode region, transistor region, collector terminal, photon showed in zigzag line, a fall on base terminal. P is diffused here. Photosensitive junction. And one side is represented collector, N diffusion, base terminal, P diffusion, N substrate, N diffusion. This is the construction of phototransistor. Here, heavily doped N region is diffused in base to form emitter. Aluminium metallization is done to form collector. On the top, a window is cut to allow light to fall upon. Here, in this, emitter is heavily doped. Base is mediumly doped or moderately doped. Collector is lightly doped. And a window is provided. A portion is made cut to fall window on the junction at a place at base. The same figure is shown here. నాకు హాఫ్ అన్ అవర్ పడుతుంది కాపాడు కాపాడు పుట్టినాడు circuit symbol of phototransistor. Here it is NPN transistor shown here. It has 3 terminals: collector, base, emitter, and it is NPN transistor. Window is provided at the base. And light falls on that. This is the circuit symbol. The arrow marks shown on the figure indicates the photo falling on the transistor at base. The difference between the symbol of BJT and phototransistor is both the symbols are same except arrow marks. The arrow marks are provided at base of transistor. That shows that the photo, hence it is phototransistor symbol. Operation of phototransistor. So how do we explain our operation of the transistor in general? A transistor is configured in one of the configuration, either common base, common emitter, or in common collector configurations. And that base input voltage is supplied. Generally for common emitter, we say the collector current IC equal to beta into IB. That operation we discuss the normal BJT. Here in this phototransistor, operation is given here. The emitter base junction is opened. Collector base junction is forward biased by VCC supply. The expression for collector current in CE configuration is given by IC equal to HFE into IB plus 1 plus HFE into ICBO. In this equation, we can write HFE is the current gain. In place of HFE, we write beta. We can say IC equal to beta into IB, and here ICBO is the leakage current. If we neglect leakage current, say consider that as a 0, IC equal to HFE into IB, or IC equal to beta into IB. For small change in the base current, there will be large change in the collector current, because HFE value or beta value is more than 100. Hence we say for small change in the base current, there will be large change in the collector current. This is the circuit diagram shown. In this circuit diagram, there is phototransistor and there is a resistor RC, collector resistor. MA means milliamperes, ammeter, and power supply VCC is provided. Here, emitter is kept open. In general, emitter is not kept open, whereas here in phototransistor operation, emitter is kept open. Whereas for emitter and collector, VCC supply is given and its entire operation would be controlled by photo, it would be controlled by light. Now, working of phototransistor. When light is focused at collector base junction, additional electrons are generated. This increases the reverse saturation current. Amplified current flows through reverse bias junction. Thus, current caused by luminous flux increases due to amplifier action. Sensitivity of phototransistor is higher than other devices. Here, what happens? Base is kept open, and whenever light falls on the base, electrons hole pairs are generated. When electrons hole pairs are generated, automatically conduction increases. Hence, collector current IC equal to HFE into IE. collector current IC equal to HFE into IB. When light falls on the base current increases, hence collector current increases. Sensitivity of phototransistor is higher than other devices. VI characteristics means volt ampere characteristics or relation between voltage and current. Relation between voltage and current and light intensity is given here. In this collector current is represented on y-axis, voltage called VCE in between collector and emitter is represented on x-axis, and light intensity. Initially flux is 0, and next one flux 1, flux 2, flux 3, like that it goes on increases. Initially, whenever no light on the transistor, if we increases the VCE voltage, keeping light 0 or photo is 0, the collector current is 0, we can say, or small variation occurs in collector current that can be neglected. And when we allow light to fall on the base collector junction, say flux 1, and we increase the VCE voltage, the current starts flowing, that is collector current starts flowing. It goes on increases as VCE voltage increases. After some point, the collector current remains constant. And if we increase the flux 2, which is greater than flux 1, and the collector current increases further, as we go on increasing the flux or light intensity, the collector current goes on increases. It is the VI characteristics of phototransistor. The VI characteristics of phototransistor is same as BJT. It is same as common emitter configuration output characteristics. Except the difference is we control this with the photo effect. So we discussed VI characteristics. Next, summary. In this class, you have learnt about a phototransistor is a type of NPN transistor generally used in CE configuration. In phototransistor, base is left open. The torque current is negligible due to few minority charge carriers. By focusing the light on reverse biased collector base junction, the transistor starts conducting and amplified current flows through the junction. So it is conclusion is that it is similar to the BJT, except here it is operated by light effect or light intensity, and here base terminal is kept open. That is a difference. And in construction there is a small change. Whereas for normal BJT, a cut mark for lens is not provided. Here in phototransistor, a cut mark is provided for lens. That is the difference in the construction of both the devices. And phototransistor is a more sensitive device. By focusing the light on reverse biased collector base junction, the transistor starts conducting and amplified current flows through the junction. Now we go for quiz questions. A phototransistor is connected in a circuit, generally in option A, CE configuration, option B, CC configuration, option C, CB configuration, option D, any of the above. Just now we discussed that generally phototransistor is connected in CE configuration. Hence, our CE configuration is in option A. For this question, option A is the right answer. Sensitivity of a phototransistor as compared to any other photosensitive semiconductor device is option A, same, option B, slightly less, option C, slightly more, option D, much more. So we studied in this class the phototransistor sensitivity is more than other devices we studied. So its sensitivity is more. Frequently asked questions. Explain the constructional details of phototransistor. Explain the working principle of phototransistor. Draw the VI characteristics of phototransistor and explain. So these are the frequently asked questions. So in this topic we discussed today about phototransistor, the phototransistor construction, and phototransistor VI characteristics, that is volt ampere characteristics, and some quiz questions, and related of this topic some frequently asked questions also discussed in this class. So we discuss next topic in next class.